Okay, so first things up is we need to extend out this environment some more. So let's grab the 5 cubes and the 2 cylinders. Need to raise it up. And it should be... Let's make this 42Z so we can get back to the numbering. And so we just need to tweak the length of this. We'll stick with that for now. So if that's at 2.25 y, so we need to put, let's see, where are they? Them up a bit. And now we just copy and paste. We're back to the even numbering. And I'll probably splice, since this is just copy and paste, really not showing you anything new, so I'll probably splice some of this out. Okay, so we'll just paste one more. I skipped ahead as I said I would, and you can see that it is larger now. So that gives us a little bit more room to play with. So let's give this a run. Okay. So let's do this. We're going to have another scene. So let's save this one. Like it can be a level complete scene. So you can either do a level complete right on top of what you're doing, or you can do like a separate level complete scene. I'm going to do a separate level complete scene just so you get the feel for changing from one scene to another. So let's make sure this is saved. Do new scene, and for this we're going to do, let's call it level comp, so it's level complete. And what we need to do is we need to have text describing what's going on. So there's a camera. So let's do game object, 3D object, 3D text, and it's going to read level complete. And normally you have to change the character size because it's blurry at its default size for some reason. And let's change the font size up to 36. Let's see how that looks. Actually, if we just click on main camera, we can see. And is it not? Well, first of all, I spelled complete wrong. So level complete. I chose a character size. Let's just rotate this. Yeah, it's there. So it must just not be in the range of... Oh yeah, it's way back there. So let's slide this in front of the camera. Still not seeing it. Let's see if we change it to 0. 0 is right, but the Y is totally wrong. Let's try this again. There it is. Let's bump that font size up. Okay, so gonna save this. It's not much, but at least now we have the scene to go to. So let's do build settings, and we have to add these two scenes. So level 1, level comp, and we close that. And what we do is we go back to level 1, we're going to add another gate. So game object, create empty, and we're going to put this at, they said 0 is center, slate 3. Add component, physics, box collider. It's going to be a trigger. And once again, we go back to the move orb script. We already have an on trigger. And let's call this game object exit. If other dot game object dot name equals exit, then we're going to run code that says to load the scene, but we have to add something up here first. So using Unity engine dot scene management, and then we come back here to scene manager. That would not be there if we hadn't put that line at the top. So scene manager dot load scene, and the name of the scene is level comp. Is it lowercase, uppercase? Uppercase, upper L, upper C. So level comp. Okay. So what should happen is when I hit that gate, we should get a level complete. So let's see, the exit is set to a trigger. It's called exit. Load scene, level comp. So it must not be where it needs to be. Well, it looks like it's... Oh, looks right. There we go. I just don't think it was aligned quite right the first time. So what would happen is then in the level complete scene you could have, say you're trying to collect coins, maybe you keep track of how many retries it took, how many lives are left, whatever. So now you see how to go from a level to a level complete.